The force acting on the mass in the horizontal direction is the spring force. Applying Newton's second law in the horizontal direction to the mass, we can write sigma f of x, that means sum of the forces in the x direction, is equivalent to kx is equal to ma. Here we need to find out the k value. So that's why we are writing this formula in the form of a k is equal to ma divided by x. We will put the values. The m value is 4.7 10 to power minus 3. The acceleration value, these all are given, that is 0.8 into 10 to power, 0.8 into 9.8 upon the x value is 0.5 into 10 to power minus 2. 0.5 into 10 to power minus 2, which is our denominator, and we will solve. Then we will find the final answer, which is 7.37 Newton per meter. Therefore, K is equal to 7.37 Newton per meter.